in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Divatress.com. Today's unit comes from the brand Bobbi and it's from their Refresh Style collection. I got her in the style MLF902 Bryony. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying that correctly, but we move. I got her in the color Honey Tea, which is the same color as the stock card. This unit does come in multiple different colors, and of course I'll pop it up here on the screen. I chose the Honey Tea color just because I really like this color blend from Bobbi. If I'm thinking correctly, they have done other colors, or maybe I'm thinking of a different brand. Maybe I'm thinking about Zurisis. Either way, I've seen this like color wave before done on units, and I think it's really pretty, so I wanted to try it out. Before we move into talking about the cap construction of the unit, I want to talk about the stock card. To me, the stock card puts me in the mind of Outre or Outre. I found out how to pronounce it correctly. It's Outre. It puts me in the mind of Outre's daily wig wear or daily wear wigs. Y'all know which collection I'm talking about. It's the collection that typically has the yellow stock card. This stock card puts me in the mind of that, which then makes me think this unit should be very, very easy to work with. Now to move into the cap construction of this unit, it does look like your typical cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front. It also comes with adjustable straps as well. With the lace space, you pretty much get a line down the center of the unit, and that's it, that's all. There is some lace going from ear to ear, but I mean, let's be real, you're not going to be able to pluck anything out of this unit. So if you are someone who likes to customize the hairlines of your units, this might not be the unit for you. This unit does come with some baby hairs at the front. They're cute. We may or may not use them. I like how they didn't put too many out. They put, I want to say, just enough out though. When I first pulled this unit out of the package, the part looked like it could use a little bit of tweezing, so I went ahead and went in with my tweezers off camera and tweezed the part. But yeah, those are all of the specs that I wanted to go over right now. So we're gonna go ahead and install this unit, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. But can we have a moment and talk about the coloring of this unit? It is so pretty. I talked about this in my last video. Of course, that was a human hair video, but still, it goes for both human hair and synthetic units. I cannot stand when a unit is not ombreed properly, meaning it's like dark and then it goes to a lighter color, but there's like a harsh line. Ugh, I cannot stand that. But this was done so beautifully, and the fact that there's 3 colors in this unit and it's ombreed so perfectly, like chef's kiss. Granted, I feel like when it comes to synthetic units, if they're gonna do one thing right, at least at bare minimum, it's going to be the blending of colors. Texture of this unit is very silky, but it's not one of those silkies to where it's like plastic or giving synthetica, even though it is a synthetic unit. I don't necessarily want to say that it's a human hair dupe either. I kind of want to say it almost feels like it's a human hair blended unit, but I don't know. I mean, of course it's not a human hair blended unit, but it's just, long story short, it's very, very soft. Now when it comes to tangling and shedding regarding this unit, I'm not really getting any tangling because, I mean, it is a silky straight unit, but when it comes to shedding, now I'm not really sure why I'm getting so many strands coming out. I mean, even when I plucked the part off camera, I combed the unit out, so therefore you would think that I would have gotten all of the strands that I needed to get thin. And even when I cut off the lace, I didn't cut into the unit, so therefore I shouldn't be getting this amount of shedding. Now granted, it is a colored unit, so therefore I would expect some type of shedding, but just for me putting on the unit sitting at my desk, this is the amount of shedding that I've gotten so far. To some that might be a lot, to some that might be very little. To me, it's just kind of like, why? This is a very lightweight, breathable unit, so therefore I feel like she can be worn all year round. This is an asymmetrical bob, so therefore she is a little bit shorter in the back than what she is in the front. To me, I think it's cute. I think it's cute how it comes styled, but clearly I have it tucked because I don't like all of the hair in my face at one time. But I can see myself cutting this unit, probably cutting about this much off, I want to say. Pretty much lining it up with the back portion of the unit. To me, I feel like asymmetrical bobs can really make my face look a little bit on the longer side. I mean, I like the fact that it kind of thins out my face because your face is kind of hiding with the hair, but I don't know, the cut on me doesn't always give like I would like it to give. As you saw during the install, it was a very easy install. All I did was pretty much cut off the lace and then I plucked some hairs out of the parting space. I didn't use any type of tint spray and it seems to be looking pretty good in my opinion. This is definitely a beginner friendly unit and could also be considered a throw on and go type of unit. Another thing that makes me want to say that this unit is beginner friendly is the fact that I have no glue, no spray, no nothing up there holding it on my head. Like, she is completely glueless, like completely. As far as the fit of this unit goes, I don't necessarily want to say that she's big head friendly, but I'd more so consider her average size head friendly. She's sitting on my head nicely and she's not sitting snug or anything like that, but I know if I had my twist instead of my hair being braided straight back, then she wouldn't fit at all. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Divatress.com, this unit does retail for $28.99 and that's across the board. The fact that this unit is under $30 makes me feel like I can get past the shedding part of it. I mean, with the quality of the hair, the color of the hair, and the fact that it can be considered a throw on and go makes me be like, yeah, she's worth it. She's worth the pickup. But yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.